Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are actually going to learn how to put on eyelashes. So fake eyelashes, yes, I'm gonna learn how to put on fake eyelashes today because I feel like it makes every look better. Or even if you don't have on eyeshadow, you just pop on some fake eyelashes, you'll just like feel better. I don't know what it is, but I feel like they're some kind of like dark forces going on. But it makes everything like literally insanely better. And there are many methods that I've seen, but I'm just gonna show you how I normally do it. You can't go wrong with some false lashes. So we are just going to go ahead and do some falsies today. I already got my eyeshadow on, and if you do want to see the tutorial on how to do this look, it'll be on Instagram. And I feel like once, not Instagram, what is it, TikTok. And so once the eyelashes are on, the look will be completed and it'll look so much better than it does right now, because I feel like it looks kind of weird, like I'm sleep deprived. But once I put the lashes on, it'll be amazing. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. First step in putting on fake eyelashes is going to be mascara. So you can use whatever mascara you like. Just make sure you coat like a thin layer on the top and then do your normal mascara on the bottom. So just one thin coat of mascara on the top lashes and let that dry, so that way it'll be easier to blend with your fake lashes. Now I do the bottom like normal. So now I'm opening a brand new pair of lashes, and this is the Kiss Lash Couture Naked Drama in the style, what is it, Organza. From what I've read on the reviews, they didn't look like this beforehand. Like, they weren't all this fluffy and poofy. They used to look a little bit more natural. So people don't like the change, but I like how voluminous they are. Like, these are right up my alley. And I will do the right eye first. It doesn't really matter which eye you do, it's just your preference. So what you want to do is kind of break the band first, and that's just by rolling it back and forth like that, just to make it more flexible. And so then what I do is I use my tweezers to grab the lashes, and then I take my glue and put a very generous amount on the lash band. Okay, so I got my glue on, and now we're just gonna let it dry for about 30 seconds until, see, this glue is white, so until it turns like a clearish bluish color, that's when you know it's ready to be put on your eye. So let this dry. And so what I like to do now that the glue, you can see that it's almost all the way dry, so it's tacky now. What I like to do is I like to take my mirror and I look down into my mirror, and then I grab the lashes at about the middle, and I will place them directly on the middle of my eye, and try and get as close to the lash line as you can without putting it directly on your lashes, because if you do take these off, they will rip out your lashes and it hurts. Okay, and so then I'll just press that, and then I normally take my fingers and make sure the lashes are not on my actual lashes, the lash band isn't on my actual lashes, and I'll just press that into my lash line. And then I'll take my tweezers and grab the very front and kind of pull it towards the beginning of my eye, if it will cooperate. And press that on with your finger. And then you have a lash. Okay, before I put the other lash on, I just want to show you like the difference of wearing just mascara, which, I mean, it's fine, because not fake lashes aren't for everyone, it's not required. But it's just my personal preference to have the fake lash on, because once you start, like, it's literally crazy how once you start using fake lashes, it's kind of difficult to stop, because it's like, oh, this completes the look. And I mean, this is pretty, but I prefer this. Okay, and now without poking your eye, what you want to do is, I mean, they do have a tool for this, but I don't have it. So what I do is I like to take my natural lashes and my fake lashes and just press them together to make it look more seamless. And that way, if you're trying to like impress someone, like someone that you have a crush on or someone that you like, they can't really tell that you're wearing false lashes, even though these look very, very unnatural. And this method, it does also work for natural lashes. So if you do the same thing, it will work and they will think that they are your real lashes. So yeah, that would be it for this mini tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys did like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.